Hey, it's Robert. We're at Universal CityWalk today, taking a look at some of the changes that have happened here at Universal Studios Hollywood's shopping and dining district. Several locations have closed in the last few weeks, and they're making some big changes here, changing what's going to happen with the security in the place. But first of all, just starting our walk, heading down CityWalk from the theme park, we see the old Popcornopolis location that has closed. Um, Closed without any construction walls around it yet. Haven't done any work. Now, next door at the old Fossil location, they have done a lot of work there, and we see that this is going to be a Line Friends Square location. They say opening soon. That's Korean character merchandise. Speaking of other characters, Hello Kitty Cafe, that's in the place that used to be fried chicken there over there for a while. Heading up the hill here, continuing on our walk down City Walk, there's the Dodgers clubhouse. I know there's some rumors about that and the Raiders location elsewhere, but for now that's still open. But what has closed next door to that is the old Crepe Cafe location. Again, they've got the Pardon Our Stardust signs up in the windows here. No construction yet has happened on that. But as we head on past Vivo Italian Kitchen, heading east now on City Walk, kind of back towards the parking, we see Sephora is still there, wide open. But across the street, where the Mini Monster used to be, we do have the walls up for that, and we know that that's going to be an Insomnia cookie location that's going to be coming to City Walk at some point here in the future. Heading back now past the sock store, which is still there. I don't know who buys socks at City Walk, but apparently enough do to keep it going. We see the old Sparky's location. The sign is down now. This candy shop where they also have the mini donuts, all closed now. No more mini donuts at City Walk. If you want donuts, you're going to have to get the full-sized ones up the road here at Voodoo Donut. Coming here into the Rotunda past Jamba and Johnny Rockets. To the right here, that's where the new security is going to be, back in the parking lot there behind NBC Sports Grill and Brew. Just started putting up the construction walls on that. No real work yet, but we do see that they have closed Abercrombie and Fitch right behind the fountains there. That location is now shuttered. Don't know yet what's going to be going in there. Now we've got a stretch here where stuff pretty much is still operating. We've got Bubba Gump over there. We got It's Sugar up here on the left. We've got okay. Bubba Gump is pretty big. Who goes to Bubba Gump? If you do, let me know. It's been a minute. And our good old friend Kong, still hanging out there over City Walk, providing that wonderful photo op. Wasabi at City Walk, the sushi location, still open. However, next door, and this closed a while ago, several months ago, the Dongpo Kitchen Chinese restaurant is closed. Also over to the left, if you haven't been in a while, that old Blaze Pizza closed a long time ago, and Starbucks just took over that entire building. But we see here a lot of kind of exterior demo work has started on Dongpo Kitchen. Don't know what's going on inside there, but they're certainly are clearing things away in that space. Now over here on the left at Universal Cinema, some of the space where they had self-serve ticketing kiosks, that's all gone now. They've got a little photo op for Dogman right in front of that. Obviously people aren't buying tickets at the theater anymore. It's all online, so we'll see what goes into that space. The Big Toothsome Chocolate Emporium, which several years ago took over the old Hard Rock Cafe space. That's there, but if we go behind that, we can see the iFly indoor skydiving, and that has closed. However, just before we get to that, there is the Things from Another World comic store. I think, if memory serves correctly, this is the last remaining original location on Universal City Walk. Again, someone correct me if I'm wrong on that one, but this one's been there as long as I've been coming to City Walk, and it's the only one that I remember being around this long. But anyway, now we come up to iFly again. We see that is now behind construction walls. Margarita next door to that, Margaritaville. I know some people have been spreading rumors about that, but the folks at Margaritaville say that they're still going to open. I know that chain's had some challenges nationwide, but CityWalk one says they're in it for the long haul here. However, across the street in the old Samba location, this has been going on for a while now. Escapology is going to be putting in escape rooms there. It's kind of interesting that we're not getting the escape rooms that Universal did on their own at Universal City Walk in Orlando. Instead, we're getting Escapology coming in here. That's that Raiders location that I talked to you about. They're in Las Vegas now, guys. Maybe time to swap that one out. Maybe Rams. I don't know. Coming around Buca de Beppo, still open right there. The taxi stand, heading back off to the big parking garage. This is going to be a satellite security location for people coming in on this side of City Walk. They should be getting started on that sometime soon. But this is kind of interesting to me here as we pass the Cinnabon. Straight ahead, we've got an Epic Universe store here. It's opening in Orlando, not Hollywood, but look at the Angel's Wing there for a second. They are hyping this all over the NBC Universal universe. So we've got an Epic Universe preview shop in here. We don't have the big model like they do in Orlando, obviously, but we've got some Epic Universe merch here. Visiting a little early in the morning, so they're not open yet. I hear that they've got a BGM loop, possibly from the park, playing in there as well. So coming around, just kind of completing our loop around the east end of City Walk here, past Voodoo Donuts. Coming back up to Universal Cinema. That is our look at the current state at Universal Studios Hollywood City Walk. I'm Robert from Theme Park Insider. Thanks for following.